Hi guys, my name is Rochester and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a review on the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This, you're gonna have to wait for the video. Alright guys, so for this foundation I have been wearing it non-stop. I'm wearing it today. This has truly surprised me. I did not expect it to treat me the way it did. The first few times I wore this foundation, I hated it. It creased, it settled in my lines. I don't know why I even bought it. I was like, this thing is bull. This is not the truth. But let me tell you let me tell you what it does for me and how you can use it. Because as you guys know, I live in Jamaica and we don't have seasons. Like some of you guys, we don't have winter and all that stuff. We just have one: sun, hot, heat, inferno. Ooh. Yeah, so how I use this is I do not apply anything with it. I do not apply a moisturizer. I do not apply a primer. I use only the foundation. So I cleanse my face, dry my face, bam, foundation. No primers, no moisturizers. This thing has been good to me. When it says 24-hour wear, I have to scrub this thing off of my face. Do you understand me? Scrub this thing off of my face. It lasts so long. It is flawless. It doesn't run, it doesn't crease, it stands up to the heat, and because it's so matte, it stays on forever. It stays on. If I want a matte fresh look, I reach for my L'Oreal Infallible. Every time I want a matte fresh look, when I want a more dewy look, dewy look, I reach for my black opal, obviously. But this has been, it shocked me. I'm in the color Cocoa 112 Cocoa, and it says it is oil control, and I completely agree. Now I have combination skin and I get oily on my nose, and in this area is where I get oily, and sometimes on my forehead, but mostly in this area is where I get oily. And this has been so good to me. I feel like I'm just going to be raving and say it's good. But I've actually had a couple people who this did not work for, and I actually said, okay, this is how I wear mine, try wearing it like that. I'm still waiting for their feedback, but I love this. And this is my review on it. It's not a product spotlight, but it's more letting you guys know that this is the foundation I've been using in most of my videos. No, not most. And if you see me here, if you notice I'm my grandma with that peach wall or the blue wall or my Jamaica flag, this is the foundation I'm wearing, and I love it. I love it. Now I am running out, which is why I'm doing this video, because I need to go and re-up on this. Now would I have this in my kit? No, I wouldn't, because you kind of have to tug on the skin in order to blend it out. Now I can make it a little bit better to blend by mixing it with moisturizer. But as I told you guys before, how I apply this, if I don't apply anything underneath it, I just apply this straight way. So to apply this on the client, I feel like I have to be tugging on the skin, and I don't want to do that. I really stick to creams whenever I'm thinking about foundations for my kit. I stick to creams. But if it is that you're just starting out and you like how this works on you and you think it would be amazing for all the oily skin clients, I would recommend you put this on the areas that they're oily, and then another foundation all over, just because this you'll have to work fast, because this dries matte, so you have to work fast on the face, and I don't want it to be pouncing on the face, because it will get uncomfortable, because I get uncomfortable with it sometimes. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys, on this video on my review of the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So again, I'm in the color 112 Cocoa, and I am going to have to re-up, because yeah, that color, and I think that's the darkest color that they have, and it oxidizes beautifully. It just looks like my skin when it's done. It covers, as you can see, it covers all my blemishes. I love it. So that's basically it on this little review, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.